Hi, this is Keith Kelch with How to Build Your Own Home, and I want you to fear not. I've been getting a lot of posts and emails and a lot of comments from people that they're afraid to be their owner builder, yet I have tons and tons of people that want to jump head into the waters. But for those of you that are afraid, that feel like you want to do it because it's the only way you can get into a home to save $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 by being your own general contractor, I want you to relax and fear not. A long time ago, 28 years ago, I built my own home. I was an owner builder. This is before I was my own general contractor, and I've been a builder now for 25 years. And I jumped into that. I didn't know what I was doing. I was lost, but my wife was with me, and she helped me out. We organized the process. And over the years, I worked with nonprofits and eventually was successful in building 63 homes under budget, and eventually launched my own business, and I've been in business for 10, 15 years. I want you to feel like you can do it. I want you to feel like it's possible. And the only way I can make you feel that way is to tell you one thing. Building a home is all about a system. It's all about a process. And if you are told the process in advance, like if you were to make sugar cookies, and if you were told the process in advance, you could follow that recipe, you could follow the system. That's what building is really, really about. A general contractor who's got some experience, they can walk on a job site and they can tell where things are. They can tell a couple more days out and the framing will be done. And then the mechanical guys can come in. They kind of know the process. Well, I want to cut that down considerably for you at how to build your own home. So if you're interested and you need to have a system and a process, I'm here for you. But more importantly, I want you to fear not. You don't have to be afraid of trying to go after building your own home. I'm not telling you to throw a hammer. I'm not telling you to dig in that ground with a backhoe. I'm telling you to take a clipboard, take a piece of paper, and have all the system and all the questions you need to ask ready for you, from budgets to draw sheets to forms, contracts, agreements, the works, the whole system ready for you. If you had that at your fingertips, like a recipe for sugar cookies, you could build your own home. I really do believe you can. Anyway, I just wanted to leave you with that message. Thanks.